Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. It's crucial to locate the 12-volt auxiliary battery in your Highlander Hybrid, which is often under the hood or in the trunk, depending on the model. This preparation ensures a safe and effective jump start. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red positive cable clamp to the positive terminal of your Highlander's dead 12-volt battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Finally, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Highlander, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start the working vehicle. Let its engine run for about 5 minutes to give your Highlander's 12-volt battery a preliminary charge. After this, attempt to start your Toyota Highlander Hybrid. If it doesn't start on the first try, don't worry. Wait a few more minutes, allowing the battery to charge further, and then try starting it again. Patience is key here. Once your Highlander Hybrid is running, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the exact reverse order of how you connected them. This means removing the negative cable from your Highlander first, then the negative from the donor car, followed by the positive from the donor car, and finally the positive from your Highlander. To ensure your 12-volt battery fully recharges, drive your Highlander Hybrid for at least 20 minutes. Also, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.